NLC job notification, junior engineer trainee S1 grade. So number of vacancies 238, mechanical 95, electrical 101, civil 21, chemical 3, mining 18. So last date of the application online is 5/1/2022. So last date is 5/1/2022. So official website is https web nlcindia.in, recruitment 8/2021. Okay. So recruitment is the various disciplines for grade is, salary grade is 31,000 to 1 lakh. So for naval units, Barsinagar project, NTPL, NUPPL and the Talabria mines applications called. This is junior engineer trainee S1 grade. So number of vacancies junior engineer mechanical is total is 95, junior engineer trainee electrical 101, junior engineer civil is 21, junior engineer chemical is 3, junior engineer mining is 18. So total posting is 238. This is the so major reservation of only in naval. Okay, naval units is totally 95. So naval units totally 178. Okay, naval is only totally 178, mechanical is 95. Okay, civil is electrical is 101. This is the major vacancy. So only naval units 178 out of 238. Okay. This is the project wise reservation. Okay, so naval units mechanical electrical, okay, mechanical is 63, electrical is 80, civil is 14, chemical is 4, mining is the naval is major. Okay, major vacancies. This is the Barsinagar project mechanical electrical, so totally 10. Okay, Talabira mines is only 3. See NTPL, National Thermal Power Limited, so only 12. NUPPL is 35. Okay, so major is naval. This is the project wise reservation. The educational qualification is the past diploma in engineering. Okay, state board and the education training and NPTEL technical education in the following discipline: mechanical full time or part time diploma minimum 3 years is being, electrical full time or part time minimum 3 years is electrical, civil also full time part time 3 years civil, chemical also full time part time 3 years, mining also 3 years diploma or diploma in mining and mine survey of 3 year duration. Okay, the minimum percentage marks qualifying diploma is 60% of aggregate minimum percentage marks qualifying SC/ST is 50. Okay. Next, crucial date claim ex serviceman or any other benefits. Okay, reservation upper age limit is will be 1/10/2021. Okay, so junior engineering is the pay scale is 31 to 1 lakh. CTC is per annum is 8.28 lakhs. Okay. So upper age limit, the candidate should have minimum 2 years of remaining service as on 1/10/2021. Training, so training period undergo training for a period of 1 year. Okay, during the training period junior engineer trainees S1 grade, the pay scale is 1 lakh. Okay. The selected candidates in successful completion of training recognized junior engineer grade is after 1 year the grade is 2, is skill is 32,000 starting. So selected candidates liable post to work in any unit. Okay, area place under the of NLC India Limited. So reservation relaxation SC ST OBC. Relaxation will be extended in the case of vacancies reserved for SC ST OBC non-criminal layers. Okay. So method of selection is based on the written test. Okay, written test only 100 marks. The question paper will be two parts. One is 30 questions for general knowledge and another is 70 part 2 70 knowledge by personal English. So, same subject totally 100 objectives. So question paper written test will be have objective type questions carrying equal marks each, no negative marks. Okay, marks duration, total duration of the test is 120 minutes. The question paper will be English language only. Okay, general conditions, only Indian nations are eligible to apply. Okay. How to apply is employ only online. Okay, the online application portal will be active from 10/8/12 to 5/1. Okay, 2022. No manual paper application will be entertained. So online application portal enable the 8/2 to 5. Okay, 5/1/2022. With the uploading condition, high quality passport is JPG 50 kg, candidate signature 50, proof of date birth certificate 20 kb, so Aadhaar card. Okay, limit of size of so the decision of NLCLC India Limited is matters relating to the eligibility, acceptance, rejection of application, false information made of deselection candidates will be final binding of the candidates. No inquiry corresponding will be entertained in this regard. Important dates is online application is application submission of application date and time 8/12 to closing of online application is 5/1. Okay, 5/1/2022. So next one, the categories of disability identified suitable for the post. Okay, this one. So thank you, like, share, subscribe of my channel GatePoint Mechanical. Thank you once again. Thank you.